In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can clear your acne with apple cider vinegar. About a month ago, my face was looking like this. Not too good, right? Not too pleasant. I lost my confidence. I couldn't do a lot of things that I like. I was just not happy. Sometimes I'm depressed, let me put it like that, because I used to have like this smooth face, and early this year I started breaking out. I used this face cream that purged me so much. I regretted buying this face cream, but anyway, this video is not about the face cream. It's how you can get rid of your acne and pimples with this little baby here, apple cider vinegar. Like, it works, no joke, it really works. I was using Dettol, it was drying me out, so I stopped. After I stopped, I was breaking out again, so I started using apple cider vinegar. Oh, here's my face now. As you can see, the breakout, it's drying out a little bit, and it's just 3 days of me using this apple cider vinegar. Once you're using this apple cider vinegar, you have to incorporate your normal skincare routine, which I'll be explaining in this video on how to use this, the ratio and everything, and how you're supposed to use your moisturizer and your normal skincare. So if you're suffering from acne, either from bacteria or any product that's really breaking you out or purging you, you can use apple cider vinegar. It works very well for that. My friend has been using it for 3 weeks now, and I was like surprised when I saw her 4 days ago before I started using these 3 days now. She said, babe, why have you been sleeping? Why haven't you tried this out? And I was like, okay, let me give it a try and see how it works. And I'm glad I did. Let me give you a happy dance. Oh, I'm glad I started using this, guys. I'm so glad. So if you want to use this, you're going to get apple cider vinegar. This is mine. It's the mini one. I never knew you can use this on your face and it will clear your acne, but now that I do, hey, we are here together. So without wasting your time, let me show you how you can use this on your face to clear your acne and pimples. So to mix this, you're going to need a glass cup or a bowl, anything that you have at home. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of water, just 2 tablespoons of water into the bowl or the jar. Once you add that into it, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. So here it goes. So once you add it, you stir this together like this. Just stir it. Once you're done stirring it, it should look like this here. Then you're going to take your cotton wool. Before you use this, make sure you've washed your face. Wash your face clean, like your normal routine where you wash your face with your cleanser. Once you're done doing that, then you use this. You can get a cotton pad or a cotton wool. This is what I have, and it's what I'm going to use. It's what I've been using. You just dip this in. Okay, let me show you so you can see. Can you see? Okay. All right. Squeeze it out a bit, and it's time to use it. So just use this all over your face. I like natural home remedy, like I prefer it. There was a time someone was telling me to go see a dermatologist. I was like, where do I have that money? I don't have that money to go see a dermatologist. So I've been searching online to see for any hack that can work, which I was using the Dettol for, and now I'm trying this. It's just 3 days and it's working. This alone has some nice healing property in it. So the fact that I can use it on your face, it's not really that bad, and it smells good. It's not hot, it's not tight on the face like the Dettol was doing. When you use this, it's just like you use a normal water on your face. It's just the smell that will make you know that you've used apple cider vinegar. Yes, you know that smell you get from it. It's acidic, so you get that acidic smell. That's the only thing. Like, it won't hurt your skin at all. See my face? It's not hurting my face at all. Nothing. It's just still the same. Okay, I just work this all over my face like this. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. We need to clear the pimples and acne. So we have to let this dry on the face. And once you're done cleaning your face, your cotton wool or your cotton pad should look like this. Look at this, the other side that I did not use. Look at the side that I use. You see how dirty it is. This apple cider vinegar help deep cleanse the face. Like, it deep cleans the face. It clear out the dirt and any dead skin cell you have on your skin for a new one to resurface. That is what it does. I don't know much about science. I'm speaking based on my experience and how it's working for me, so please bear with me. So here is how it should look, and once it's dry, I'm going to go in to use my moisturizer. Okay, so I like to use this vitamin E serum. It's Ichon Beauty. Is it Ichon or Oichin? I don't know, but I like to use this one here. I'll be leaving the picture on the screen if you can't see properly. So this is what I go in next once my face is dry, because you can't just use that alone and feel like, yeah, it will do all the magic. You need a moisturizer. Please, you do. After you're done using the apple cider vinegar, go in with your normal skincare routine, whatever it is you like to use on your face, or if you like, you can just get this and use. It works. Like, I'm glad. So I'm going to take it out and I'll put a few drops on my face. This video is not sponsored. This is something I'm using. And it works for me. So I just take my time to apply this on my face, massage it properly all over my face, like every part of my face. Just take your time to apply this, even my neck. So just do this step, take your time to massage this in. Massage your face to properly penetrate deep in. Once I'm done massaging my face, I'll let the moisturizing serum dry up. Then I'll be using my other face moisturizer, which is Dettol Vitamin C oil. It comes like this. This is not expensive at all, but it do the job. This is very nice. It contains natural vitamin C oil. It helps fade dark spots and scars or mark on the face. It's very good. If you are oily, you have to test this first if it will work for you, but it works. My friend she has oily skin and she's using it, and since I bought it, I like the way it's working. I use this on my body too. That's why it's almost finished. It's just 3 days I've been using, but I use it on my skin. I'm like that. Like, so once I apply that on my palm like this, I just work it all over my face. And it smells natural, like it's not heavy, it's not fragrance like most oils. I like that it moisturizes my face very well. I just use this much. I take my time to massage my face this way, and it helps my face hydrate. And the fact that it clears spots, that is one thing that I like again about this oil. And it's vitamin C. Wow, I love every bit of it. So like my face, I start glowing once I'm done using this. I use this all over my body because it's not oily, it's not greasy, it easily absorbs into the skin, which is one reason why I like this particular vitamin C oil. And once I'm done with my face routine, I just let this dry. If I'm doing this in the morning, I go in with my sunscreen. Don't joke on sunscreen. If you have sunburn, acne, pimples, or even if you don't have any problem on your face, you still need to use your sunscreen. It's very, very important. It's evening now, that's why I'm not using my sunscreen. If I'm using this during the day, I use my sunscreen, even when I don't use it during the day, because I prefer to use it towards evening when the sun is not that shiny. You know how it is in Africa or in Nigeria, how sunny it is. And it's been 3 days now. I love, you see how glowing my face is. I like that. My face is not dry like how the Dettol was doing to me. My face feels supple and moisturized, which is a good thing. If you want to try this, please give it a patch test. Test it out under your chin or any part of your body, but not around here. You can try it here or here. I did not do any test patch. I know my face is acting up, like it's very strong, so I use any products. I can use any products. I'm not that sensitive. I didn't even wait to test it out. I use it direct, but don't be like me. Like, I'm a goat. Don't be like me. Test it out before you use it. Don't go and use something that will react on your face or to worsen your acne or pimples. Test it out. But so far it's working for me, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And if you have any question or inquiry, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you have anything that you want me to talk about this, you can ask me directly and I'll surely reply you. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Till I see you in my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.